Hiding comments based on the keywords, not only for responding to the keywords through private replies, comments, and chat, but you are able to hide some inappropriate comments based on the keywords that you have set as well. Log into Kaojao and then choose the Manage Page and Auto Response System option. Choose the page that you would like to set up and then click on Manage. In the Auto Reply section, go to Keyword Replies. Scroll down to the Hide Comment section. Type in all the words you want to hide from your post. And when a customer types a comment with the keywords that you have set, the system will hide the comment immediately. The hidden comments can be seen by the person that commented, their friends, and the admin of the page.